Hello friends, welcome to Power of 10 channel.
Constituent Assembly of India was formed in the year 1946. Who was the first president of the Constituent Assembly of India? Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. Who was the chairman of Drafting Committee of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How many members were there in Constitution Drafting Committee of India? 7 members. In which year the Constitution of India was adopted? 26 November 1949. Constitution of India came into effect fully on 26 January 1950. What was the total strength of Constituent Assembly of India? 389 members. Who was the first permanent president of Constituent Assembly of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Indian Constitution passed how many amendments till now? 104th Amendment. Who framed the Constitution of India? Constituent Assembly.
Thank you very much for watching. If you have gained any knowledge from this video, then please like, subscribe, comment and share this channel.